In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Cash App card to your iPad. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Using your Cash App card with Apple Pay on an iPad is simple, even though the Apple Wallet app doesn't exist as a standalone app on iPad. The functionality is built into the iPad system, so you can add cards and make payments easily. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPad. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. This section allows you to manage your payment methods and link new cards to your Apple account. Next, choose Add Card and follow the on-screen instructions. You can either add your Cash App card as a new card or select it from cards you've previously linked to your Apple account. You'll need to enter your card details and verify the card owner, which helps secure your account. Once verified, your Cash App card will be added to Apple Pay on your iPad. After linking the card, you can use it to make purchases within apps or on websites using Safari. When checking out, tap the Apple Pay button and authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPad passcode. The process is automatic and secure, ensuring your payment information is protected. While contactless payments directly with the iPad at physical stores are possible, they may not work as reliably as with an iPhone. It's best to use Apple Pay for online or in-app purchases for the most seamless experience. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.